Hello and welcome to the video walk around of the 2011 Kia Soul Searcher in metallic green finish with 18-inch of Kia alloy wheels. As you can see, the vehicle has got privacy glass on the roof rails, rear parking sensors, split folding rear seats, in the front view of the vehicle it's got front forks, contrasting full leather interior with 5 headrests, eyes fixed for child seat preparation, and for your safety it's got front side and rear airbags, electric windows and folding mirrors, automatic transmission, heated seats. Over there it's got the auxiliary iPod connectivity and USB connectivity. It's got 12-volt power outlet in the middle, some cup holders next to the handbrake, some storage department over there, a multifunctional steering wheel with the cruise control on the right hand side. Over there it's got the voice commands. Then it's got air conditioning with a climate control, AM/FM radio and a MP3 CD player, Bluetooth connectivity, Bluetooth hands-free connectivity, some storage department in the middle over there. In the glove box we have the owner's manual and the locking wheel nut. This was the video walk around of the 2011 Kia Soul Search. To book a test drive or for any further information, please give us a call. Thanks for watching.